Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? You all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. This video we present winter special full sleeves frock design ideas for baby girls that offer warmth without compromising on style. You will see a range of charming frocks made for cozy fabrics like wool and thick cottons, perfect for chilly days. From elegant lace accents and ruffled details to cute prints like floral, polka dots, and animal patterns, those frocks are designed to keep your little one both comfortable and adorable. We will also highlight different styles including align and layered designs with beautiful winter themes. Colors like deep red, full sleeve frocks are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day or a